This video will demonstrate the proper long-term storage techniques for the P3200iE generator. Start by selecting a flat storage area free from any excessive humidity, dust, or extreme weather. Avoid any areas near a flame-operated appliance or where power tools are operated. If the generator will be stored with fuel, always add a suitable fuel stabilizer. Follow all product labels when adding stabilizer. Fog the engine per the owner's manual guidelines. Follow all product labels when fogging the engine. Change the engine oil per the owner's manual guidelines. Inspect for leaks and dispose of the used oil properly. Turn the fuel valve switch to the off position. Remove the battery and store it in a cool, dry location. Recharge the battery once a month or use a battery trickle charger to maintain a battery charge. Clean the exterior of the generator with a clean, dry cloth. Avoid using water to clean the generator. With the engine and exhaust systems cooled, cover the generator to prevent the accumulation of dust. Avoid using plastic sheets as they can trap moisture around the generator, promoting rust and corrosion. When removing the generator from storage, perform the pre-operation inspection. Refer to your owner's manual or the Help Center website for the full inspection procedures. If fuel was drained during storage preparation, fill the tank with fresh gasoline. Reinstall the battery per the owner's manual guidelines. Follow the recommended start and usage procedures listed in the owner's manual and on the Help Center website. Always start the engine outdoors in a well-ventilated area. If the engine was fogged during storage preparation, it may smoke briefly at startup as it burns off the excess oil in the cylinders. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polarispower.com.